Yun. So, another problem. 4 lines. Baka hindi na kita rayo. So, still lines. So, actually, di rin ibang topic. Pag-reinforce line. As you can see, the slope intercept. I think it is called slope intercept. Nakakalimut ako. And then, we have another version of lines. Kaya dahil kasi, ginahatag nga problem. Mas masarap sa yun isolve ditohan usang general parameters kaysahan usa nga ginahatag. So that's why we really have to look at it in another angle. Labi na imo straight line, amot pinakamasayon nga line. More or less, they do arise in simple mathematical problems nga na-encounter naton bisan ano ka nga field. So the point slope, this is the slope form, point slope form. You have the points y minus y1. Actually, ini nga y magiging equation ini ami to diri gin y2. Or pareho lagi pinin iyo points ano kanina nga form and slope intercept form. Kaya lang mapapansin niyo ani mo y2 gini mo lang nga y, ani mo x gini mo lang nga x. Kaya ano? Because kay usa la ta sa substitute net value to dida usually iton y1 ngan x1. So usa la ka point ginhatag ngan slope. Diba nakita niyo? Iton bubutangan natin numbers. A point slope form, gibubutangan niyo hin balik ato niyo pag-intindi. But anyway, adi kita ha point slope form, slope intercept kasi medyo iba't iya concept. But be ready nga general labi na kung mga equation dim ginihimo. Kung equation dim ginihimo kasi makore adto hi slope intercept form. Kay masolve ka na iton slope saka ibabalik pag substitute kan point slope form, di ba? So why not diretso na lang point slope form basta may daka na slope. Anyway, without any further ado, find an equation of the line through 1, -3 with slope 1/2. So ginhatag ang slope nga naghatag usa ka point. So basically, point slope form yung pinakamadagmit tapos naaro yan equation. So how do we do that? We just simply substitute all those values. Diba? So sa substitute mo latiya. Ay mo y, isorot ko na ito ni general equation is equal to m and then you have your x1. So ano ito? It y, pabailaya ka equation kasi ito yung ginihimo. Basically, your equation will give you 2 variables. Kaya din naman kita itong solving equations, equations with 2 variables which is x and y. Diba? Ano mo linear equation? Kung man lang to 1 variable which is usually x. Ano mo quadratic equation? Usa lagi ka variable which is x. Again, squared la. So, yun nga topic is talking about equations into variables. Tama ito may kita xy coordinates. Kaya may dani mo x nga variable, may dani mo y. But anyway, y1, so ano timo? I-substitute nga natin mo points. Kaya sa malat point nga da, which will talk about y1 and x1. So, y1 is -3. So, y, ayaw kakalimutan, may minus ka nga da, tapos nag-3 ka. So, kasi amdot sa sayop. So, you have the m which is -1/2. And then you have x. Of course, papabayan mo lang tiya because you're making an equation. And then minus your x which is 1. Okay? And then solving that one for y and x and y. So, makakahimo ka na itohin equation of a line which is answering this question that find the equation, di ba? Masayon, di ba? Y plus 3 is equal to -1/2 x. Actually, pwede ko ito exolod para maglimpyot akon mga x and y. Tapos, isusulod ko lahat ini 1/2 x. Tapos, madiliwat, di ba? 5 first in, first out. -1/2 times -1, that would give you positive 1/2. Okay? And then, after that, i-groupo mo x ngan y. So, basically, truling ito, imo x. Kaya mo naunat imo y. So, y itabok nga di. So, paano mo ito tatabok? So, y plus 3, igma minus kon y. Bubutang ko blanco ha. Kaya again, what you do with your equation, left, amo lang ito imo himuon ha right. May kita niyo, gindugangan ko yan minus y, di ba? Tikang didi. So, pupuntahan ko lang yan minus y didi. So, nabalin na yan y, kay y minus y, you already have 0. Kaya lang, may dakaliwat didi 1/2. So, paano man tayo matatanggal? Ma-minus kaliwatin 1/2 nga di. Kaya nagbutang ka man 1/2 di, wari ka man di, so mabutang ka lot di, minus 1/2. Okay? So by that, this one will be deleted or cancelled, equal to 0. So yan, may daka na, rewrite ko ha, negative 1/2 x minus y, tapos gimbaliktad yung equation kayo sa left side, maunat x and y. Tapos di may daka 3 minus 1/2. 3 minus 1/2, pwede ko timon nga 2, tapos plus may daka 2 all over 2 minus 1/2. So ini 2 plus 2 over 2, that is 3. Di. Ikaw mo kapausay ito ha, ang imo ito 3 nga gin-divide ko. So kaya ginsugad mo man sir, kaya para ready adi mag-manipulate. Diba? Kaya itong rule itong fraction is, you can only subtract fraction when they are of the same denominator. So di magiging 2 minus 1, that would be positive 1/2. So that would be positive 1/2. You would have 2.5 kung mixed fraction. Pero usually, diri kita nagamitin mixed fraction as an answer ha aton algebra. Ako, kadamon ta akong ginagian nga math. Usually talaga, diri mo kagamit itong mixed fraction ha pag-solve. Pag-state it mo answer. You usually convert that to an improper fraction. So 2 plus 1/2 actually is, pwede mo tiya isurat actually nga 2 and 1/2, diba? That's how you write it. Pag suga dito actually, you have 2 times 2, that is 4 plus 1. Actually, 2 and 1/2 is equal to 5/2. So, i-rewrite natin, that will give you negative 1/2 x minus y is equal to 5/2. Now, ini, may dapat ni 1/2 pa x. Usually, itong x, ginlilimpyo ito ya. So, I would multiply negative 1/2 on this side ngan negative 1/2 on this side. Kaya ano, para negative 2 ngayon, negative 2. Para matanggal ito nga 1/2. So, negative 2 times 1/2, magiging x na la. Because that is 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Tapos, negative pag udiha didi, so that would give you x. Kaya lang didi, negative 2 times negative y, that will give you plus 2y, plus 2y. Ano't general form iti mo kuan? Equation of a line. Kung nagkadto tayo point slope form, y is equal to mx plus b. Ito standard form ada, y is equal to mx plus b. But anyway, ini equation ni of a line. Times 2 ngayon, sorry. So, times 2, so negative, magiging negative ini. Negative 5. So, for a general form, actually, masok dito x plus 2y tapos plus 5 is equal to 0. I think that is the general form. General form. Pero, answer na tiya actually. Kaya lang naka-general form. Kung karoon yung standard, wala man mag-sering standard, pwede na actually amit answer. Pero sa meron nga ni standard form, usually, igbabaling ko akon x at akon x. 2y is equal to, mambabalhin na lang tading x. Minus x minus 5. Minus parang gini mo didi, kinlaksi ko nala, ha? Tapos, i-divide ko in 2. I-divide ko 2. So, I would have y is equal to negative 1/2 x tapos minus 5/2. So, this is y is equal to mx plus b. Therefore, your m is equal to negative 1/2 and your y-intercept actually is negative 5/2. So anyway, ginatag man din sa dopo, which also checks your problem. So again, my answer is, akong pansurat. This guy over here, the general form, mura man magsaring kasi kung ano nga line. But you have, of course, your slope-intercept form, equation of the line. So, it's either of the two. Takon answer. Okay? And then, sketch the line. So kung sketching the line, I think dito na la ito ha. But anyway, I can sketch. Sketch ko no the line. So if that is my So may da ako ano ba tak may da? Find equation of line through 1 3. So kitaon ko lang ito ya, may da ako 1 3 nga point. 1 negative 3 sorry. 1 2 3 tapos 1 negative 3. 1 2 3. So this is the 1 negative 3. Diba? So I'll use another pen. This is your 1 negative 3. Tapos ano pa niya si ring? With slope negative 1 half. Your negative 1 half, that slope is going to the left. Diba? Ani mo nga ni slope nga negative is a line because your slope is negative 1 half. Sorry. So your line is going to the going to the left. So tipakadi nga side. So from that, maghimo ka lang ito in 1 half nga rise nga run. So or 1 over 2. So maigbaw kahin 1 kahit imo kasi 1 half is a negative 1 rise nga di ka negative 1 tapos nga di ka hinduha. So 1 2. So ano din So that is rise igbaw tapos run ano mo negative. Pareho lagi hapon kung ginuna ko negative ginuna ko an negative 1 so makada ako ubos tapos bagis ako maduha 1 2 so pareho lagi hapon itiya ay sorry ito man igo lagi itiya. So that would be the sketch of that line. Pwede ko take extend actually. Antiya, okay. Direct na katadong. Hatadong ito ha. God. So that would be your line with a slope of 1 half. Tapos maiigo an imo. So yan, that is the final answer. Straight line ito ha. So after that, so solve ko na A and B ha. Kita na yun. The first answer for A is the equation of the line is either adi. And then the second answer is of course this sketch over here. In a straight line ini kutog di. That is a straight line going to the left kay aniya slope kasi is negative. So I will have my solution, other solution using an app. Yon. So second solution will be using GeoGebra again, classic. So this again a free app. So you have 1 negative 3 and slope negative 1 half. So 1 negative 3, plot ko lang dayon. So bagan mauunat plotting din Anyway, kaduha dadayon iti ang answer. So you have an A which is equal to 1 negative 3. 1 negative 3 mo siguro. Ito na. So ginhatag na niya ang points. Control Z. Ano ba yan? Butang tala ubos. So from that ini nga sinisiring niya nga slope with a slope of ano to ni siring problem with a slope of -1/2. Actually that is rise run. So ani mo -1 pwede mo negative pwede mo ikadto 1 pwede mo ikadto tuliwat. So kung ikakadto kuhaan -1, so maihapla kuhin kung ikakadto kuha 1 rise nga -1. So mati paubos ako 1, di ba? That is -1. Tapos ani mo run nga positive 2 kay -1/2 man. Di positive 2 mat to the right kaliwat. Kay ani mo rise nga negative is going down. Ani mo rise nga positive is going up. So kung gimbutang ko negative nga diha -1, so magiging rise na akon is ti paubos. Tapos ang akon run maging positive naman so to the right. So maya pa ko 1 ngan 2 tapos ihimuon ko nga tulbok. Bali bubutangan ko din ang tulbok ano to. Point. So I'll putting point 1 tapos 1 2. So ihimuon ko to nga tulbok dida. O yun. So from that is already the rise and run or pwede ka dayon, pwede ko gati delete. Diretso ako mahimon line. So ano mata ko nihimon nga line? Tikang ito dida, igo ito ya, pero maiigo kuan ini nga 1 2 3 4. Pak. So makikita niyo nga so naghimo yan line. Okay? So diri medyo accurate among ito baga nalula ako niya kuan. So, pinaka-accurate is you count that rise and run. So kung again -1 tapos 2. So ini nga point. That would be 3 -4. Mas mao pa ibutang nala ito yang point B which is 3 -4. Diba? Tapos actually pwede ka mag-butang pa another. Kung ano sa nga imo negative ibutang nimo to. Mati pa igbaw kan 1 kay positive tapos mati pa kadi ka left which is -2. Diba? Kay 1/2 man nimo rise and run. So by that may ada cut point -1 -2. So you might plot that out. -1 see let's say -1 and -2. Enter. So makikita niyo nga talaga maglilirin niya ito. Ito mo rise and run pwede ka lahituin by square. Diba? Maglilirin niya gulat hira. Pwede ka to the left, the right. Basta as long nga it negative. Kung negative ibubutang mo sa era. And then you can already put lines ito sa era. Man. Oh. Yun. And then you will see that the equation of the line is -x, -2y plus is equal to 5. So may dana ako answer dayon in I think this is the general form. Diba? Using ano ka pa ito? So, may dan ako answer. Tapos tadi pa na akong graph. Pwede ko na niya dayon. This is my answer. Using kuan, may dan ako graph. Tapos may dan ako general equation of the line. Pero pwede ko lang ito standard form. Kita to kung standard form niya. Kaya nag-save sir pag-compute. So this is the general form I mean. Ax plus by. So kung ikatit ito niya slope intercept form, charang, so you would have a y is equal to -0.5 that is -1/2 minus 2.5. So that is the 5/2. That is 2.5. So may kita man niyo may igo ito 2.5. Okay? So that is the second solution using GeoGebra. Pwede talaga ka mulot mag-plot mano-mano and then you can find those things by measuring. Kaya lang di resod ka accurate. Okay, thank you guys.